Thank you, ladies. Thank you so much. My name is Andy Marizo, aka Baba Keketon, and Shambak the band. Good see me, episode 1. If you're African and proud, raise your hands in the air. No good thing, Zaganyanya. Bazooka, bazu, bazu. I see the light at the end of the tunnel. I see freedom. I hear the voices of the nation. They're just shouting, calling Wakanda. I see the light. I hear the waves. I hear the voices from the water. Africa, 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 Africa. The city Zulu and the Xhosa, they're just shouting, Ubuntu. I see the Shona and the Nebele, Tino Taura, Tichiti Hundu, Swahili, Lingala, oh, Nakupenda. We say Igbo, Kili, that's the language from Nigeria. We say the Chewa and the Nyacha, that's the language from Malawi. Lo Bale, Lo Chazi, that's Zambia. Africa, 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 Africa. Yeah. We call upon the spirit of our forefathers to protect us and just guide us. Oh, Africa, let us stand as one and sing Hakuna Matata. Mama Africa, yo, yo, yo. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Africa, Africa, yo. Africa. Mama Africa, yo, yo, yo. Sing Africa. Mama Africa. Yo, yo, yo. Africa, Africa. Africa, yo, 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 yo. Africa. Africa. Ukasa. Yeah. Once again, my name is Andy Marizo, aka Baba Keketo, Shambak the band. Ukasa.